right, good morning, good afternoon, and or good night. Thank you guys for joining my channel once again. Welcome to Fran Plans. This video is so special for me, or to me, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. I'm just excited about it, and I'm just gonna jump right into it. If you've known me for quite some time, I hate the long intros into videos, so I'm not gonna start. So this will be my gender reveal plan with me in my Erin Condren. This is my Erin Condren, which I ordered, I want to say in May or June. And so just a very simple layout, just my name and some hearts. I got the rose gold coil, but enough about that. This is about the kit for this week. This is my gender reveal kit, and it's very dear to me. I'm so excited. People kept asking me, what do you wish for? What are you hoping for the baby is? And I really just, I played around with the idea of a boy or a girl in my mind, but at the end of the day, I really just wanted a healthy baby. But I do think sometimes you do sway more one way than the other. And I've always had it in my mind to have a little girl, and of course I want a son too, but I've always thought about having a little girl. And so this is my gender reveal kit. It is so cute, and as you can tell, it's pink, so there's no point in denying we are having a girl. It says sweet baby girl. I will tag the shop where I got this kit from, and this is the like the top headers and some more mini boxes here. And then this is the decorative sheet. So I'm just going to sit down with you guys, and I'm going to try not to take up too much time and just do a really quick gender reveal kit here. And how I pretty much like to do it is I start with the washi layout. That does come in her kit. I will post, like I said, the link below. I don't remember completely how much this kit was. It was not ridiculous. I do have my little budget for my planner stuff, so it was well within that. And I just couldn't deny it. Like, I could not let this pass me by because it was so cute. You'll probably hear me say it's so cute so many times in this video because I really just wanted to capture this moment. And I'm just gonna lay down some headers here. I just use the ones that say today. And what I'll probably do is just keep going with the baby pink up top. I'll probably switch, I'll alternate them because it says today and today. This says to do. And I am not a no white space girl when it comes to my planner. Like, I still like to see white space. And what I'll do is I'll keep my planner kit, my sticker kit, available. Like, I'll put it in one of the pockets so that, as I'm planning on the go, I can just, put a sticker in where it needs to go. So I'll show you guys. I know some people like the no white space. That's just not my thing. So these say little things, and then this one says next week. So, actually what I'll do, I'll leave this one here. And since it's Sunday, I'll just do a bright pink. I have no rhyme or reason sometimes for the way I lay my stickers down. That's just my train up. This is just the way I do things. And then I'm going to go ahead and switch over to the full boxes. And I like to put the full boxes in the middle. That's how I typically do my home planner. I haven't shown you guys this planner before. Like I said, this is very new to me. This is my home planner. So it says sweet baby girl there. We do have a name picked out. I will share that in a later video. We'll just keep this one to the gender reveal. So I'll keep that going there. And then I like this baby sticker. And so I'm not going to use every single sticker in this kit right at this particular, while I'm filming this. And then this one has the stork. So I'll just keep that going for this. My weekends I will leave blank because, like I said, I don't know. I like to give myself the opportunity to, if I need to fill in something or if I don't have much going on that day, then I'll just go ahead and use my stickers for that. So I'm going to go ahead and put some headers over here. Since I'm not going to be doing anything, you know, these have box already, I'll just use the little thing stickers just to keep everything color coded because the background is blue. So this just has little, this just says little things. And then I'm going to use up this hot pink here. So I'm so excited. We were able to find out, I know most people have to wait until their 20 week. I am currently 16 weeks and 4 days while I'm filming this video. I know most people, you have to wait until you're at least 20 weeks until you can find out. Sorry about that, that was my phone. But because now they offer so many different tests, we were able to do our genetic screening early, which you do in the first trimester. I am now in my second trimester. And so with that, there is a blood test they can do or use to tell you the gender of the baby. So, and then also it comes with an ultrasound. So that is how I will leave that going. Now at my top, I'm going to go ahead and use some of the page flags. This is coming along really pretty. Let me make sure I'm still in focus, guys. I don't want to come out of focus too much. Okay, make sure you guys can still see everything. And I'm just going to lay this here. I normally don't do plan with me's because sometimes I've watched them myself. I enjoy watching other people's, but I know they can get really long. And then basically you're just like kind of watching a person put stickers down. But I was like, I think this will be fun. And let me know if you guys enjoy this, then maybe I'll do more plan with me's, you know. Just more of a fun side to get away from some of the budgeting stuff. I do want to keep my channel pretty open. It's a planner channel. You know, it's a planner and kind of crafty. I get real crafty in the fall and in the winter months. More so in the summer. More so in the fall and the winter for me. So I'll leave that there. I have some little page flags, which I will use for Sunday. And I'm not a perfectionist. I know some people, they can get a little like, I've watched videos where they'll hate like if they don't put the sticker right. I'm not that person, so you know, you won't catch me doing that. And then what I've been doing in here in my planner, these types of stickers where it's like the Monday, Tuesday, I'll use this for cleaning. Like, you know, keeping track of cleaning the house up. So I'll go ahead and lay that there. And then I like these like tracker stickers here because it helps me keep track of taking my prenatal vitamin and then also tracking my food and working out. I'm not worried about losing weight or anything, but I am, you know, working out and stuff and staying in shape throughout my pregnancy as much as possible. And then for the decorative sheet, I'm just going to pull out the weekend sticker here if I don't tear it. And I'm just going to put that at the bottom. If I can get it to cooperate with me. It's kind of flimsy, but we'll make it work. Who else is in your planner, right? It's up for you. So that's that. There we go. I think that was a little extra. Okay, so we got that going. You guys can see that. Okay. And then, now, so for me, what I'll generally do, I'm going to go ahead and finish filling in these boxes here to keep everything coordinated. I'll keep this sticker kind of handy, and then what I'll do is I'll go in and fill out things as they come. So like when I work out, if it's a lazy day, if we have a date night, stuff like that, I'll just keep that handy. So I won't you know, bother with putting too much stuff down from this sheet here. What I will do though is I'm going to finish with the gold at the bottom. So I'm just going to put this here. This just says little things. And I'm going to use the one that says goals. I'll do that for Sunday because it'll help me think of the things I need to do for the next week. If there's anything I need to plan for, I'll put that there. And then that's also a good spot for me to use up this last page flag here. So that's that. I do like these boxes, so I'll put one of them here. These are cute. And then I'm going to, this just says, this says next week. I can use that there because I'll already be thinking about stuff for next week, and then goals for the following week. Keep that there. And then I'm not studying for anything. I'll just continue with the today stickers because I do want to cover up this blue. You know, so if it's a TV show, like my late night stuff I want to watch or whatever, this just says today. You know, and you want to use up your kits. I have so many kits, like pieces of them that I, you know, have from here or there. So, and I do mash them together. Like I'll take kits from everywhere and make it work. And then I'll put this one here for groceries because we usually do our grocery shopping on the weekend. So I can make like a grocery list in this little box for Saturday or Sunday. So this is my plan with me for our gender reveal. It's a girl. And then I will, like I said, I'll normally keep all of these stickers here in, I have the plastic pouch, or I will use my, where is it at? My little pouch in the back. So I normally just keep my extra stickers in there and I use them as I go. But that's my plan with me, guys. It's very simple. I think it turned out really cute. I thank you guys for joining me to watch me do this, and I'm so excited. We're having a baby girl. So I'll talk with you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.